everybody, welcome back to another episode in Project Car, which is going to be a quick one because A, it is very cold in my garage, that's why I'm wearing my hat, and secondly, not has happened over the last 2 weeks. So let's go take a look. So as you can see, the biggest difference since last time is the fact that I've now got seats in them. And the idea with the seats is that the car is going for bodywork repairs, and next week it's going to be collected by a company because there's too much to do that I do not have the skills for. As part of that, they've asked me to put the seats in, at least mark where they want to go. So that's what I've been doing. I've put them together with the frames underneath, and I'm just sliding them back and forth on a couple of wooden blocks in order to get the right position so that I can reach the pedals, which have been put in place temporarily using the steering column. And then I'm doing the same on the passenger side. The steering column is in because the guys are also going to do my roll cage, so in order to make sure that this horizontal bar here fits properly. At the moment it looks like it's just butching up to the steering column, so either have to remove a little bit of the column itself or they're going to raise the tube depending on how well the dashboard fits along with it. So that's just a little something that they're going to have a look into and then let me know what they're going to do, and we'll go from there. Other than that, I've been marking up some items in the engine bay that need repairs or filling that is different than the usual cars. We had an LPG installation here which we've subsequently removed, so we need to fill the holes that were drilled for that. And really that is pretty much it. Like I said, it's going to be a quick one because A, I'm very cold, and B, not a lot has happened. So hopefully next time I will have more for you, where we'll get back to working on items that came out of the car while the car is away. We've got the space. We'll go and repair items, clean them, and make sure everything is ready to go into the car once it comes back. So see you next time. Thank you very much for subscribing, joining me, your comments below, and I'll see you in a couple of weeks. Bye bye.